Over the last few months, the Samsung Z Flip 4 has seen a massive boost in popularity. So today, I wanted to introduce you to some of the best accessories you should buy for the Z Flip 4. Okay, jumping in right away today, we are going to talk about the most important thing you need for your Z Flip 4, and that is protection. In my opinion, there's pretty much only one option when it comes to protecting the screen of your Z Flip 4, and that of course is the Whitestone Dome screen protector. The Whitestone Dome film screen protector offers full protection for both screens on your Galaxy Z Flip 4. We won't be going over the installation today, but if you do want to take a look at that, you can find a link to that video in the description below, along with the rest of the items found in today's video. For me, Whitestone Dome just offer that peace of mind with their screen protectors. And given the Galaxy Z Flip screens are sometimes a little bit too fragile, this should absolutely be your first port of call. The second accessory I want to show you is the slim 15-watt fast wireless charger from Elixir. The great thing about this charger is that it works amazingly with any phone that supports wireless charging. Another appealing feature is the weight, size and portability of the product. It's quite simple to unplug and even pop in your pocket. When charging your device, the charger has an LED indicator. It also has a non-slip bottom to ensure it's not slipping anywhere when placing your phone down. Plus, it's USB-C, so you can even use the charger that came with your Z Flip 4. So if you're after a budget wireless charger that works fantastically, then this should be your charger of choice. Okay, now back to protection. And this entry is one of the best phone cases you can get for the Z Flip series. This is the Z Flip 4 strap case, and it's one hell of a solution for your phone. First of all, when you take the case out of the box, you'll notice a soft silicone feel that's always a pleasant experience. Next, and something many people miss, is these two adhesive strips. When installing this on your phone, remember to peel them off. This prevents the case from moving when installed. When you have this case on your phone, it really stands out. I don't know what it is about the Z Flip cases, but they just look brilliant. Now obviously we have to talk about this prominent feature, and that is this strap. The strap fits comfortably around your fingers and enables single hand use. The strap is strong and feels really nice quality too. However, the only problem with this strap is that it gets quite grimy quickly. For me, this is one of the best case designs Samsung have released, and if I had a Samsung phone, this would be on it straight away. Before I move on, it would be amazing if you could hit that like and subscribe button. Here at Mobile Fun, we'd love to bring you the best gadgets, tech and phone accessories around. So if you don't want to miss out, you know what to do. The penultimate item today is a Samsung official 45-watt power adapter. Now, I know there's nothing glamorous about a power adapter, but the world is now a frustrating place, and phone companies no longer give you adapters in the box. So, what's a better adapter than one designed for your phone? This sleek portable power adapter has a maximum 45-watt power output, and like most nowadays comes with a retractable top pin for easy transportation. Inside the box you'll find the adapter and a USB-C to USB-C cable. Honestly, it's surprising how many people I know that don't use a charger designed for their phone. What people don't realise is that if you aren't using the right charger, you're essentially jeopardising the longevity of your phone. Finally, we've got this Elixir Blue carbon fibre case. Out of the box, the colour is the first thing to hit your eye. It's both pleasing and far from boring at the same time. On the inside of the phone case, Elixir have included a non-slip felt mixed backing. Once your phone is seated in the case, you'll notice how good the faux carbon fibre effect actually feels. For me, having the right feel on the Z Flip case is so important, especially for a new user. The case itself is very lightweight. It adds virtually nothing to the mass of the phone, and just adds a really nice finishing frame to the Z Flip 4. Honestly, this case mixes function and style, plus finishes off at an incredible price. I've been Mark, and I'll see you in the next video.